Welcome to the Graphic House, a sanctuary of inner-city luxury perched high on Paddington Hill, a mere 3.5 kilometres from Brisbane CBD. Meticulously designed by renowned architect Shaun Lockyer and impeccably crafted by the Thallon Mole Group, represents a faultless fusion of modernist design and unparalleled craftsmanship. Step into a world of contemporary sophistication where every detail has been curated to deliver an experience of visual delight and gracious living. The spacious living level offers arguably the finest uninterrupted city views in Brisbane, a truly breathtaking experience that's expertly framed for maximum impact. This home is designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living, boasting efficient zoning and meticulous continuation of design elements throughout. Craftsmanship extends to the main ensuite, a masterpiece complementing Italian basins and tapware, as well as the meticulously designed living-level powder room and designer-tiled laundry. Additional amenities include a lift servicing all levels, a climate-controlled wine cellar, and provisions for artworks with adjustable art lighting. With 3 spacious bedrooms, a work-from-home office boasting city views, and a 2-car garage, this home on Paddington's prestigious street is the epitome of elegance and sophisticated living in Paddington.